What happens to your body when you fast for 16 hours? Is skipping breakfast actually healthy for you? You don't just get hungry. Your body unlocks a powerful, secret biological process called autophagy. Fasting is not dieting. It is a complex metabolic shift designed to conserve energy and promote deep cellular repair. After your last meal, your body is busy digesting food, mainly using stored blood glucose as its fuel source. Your glucose runs low. Your body now looks to the liver and converts stored glycogen into more immediate fuel. By the 8 to 12 hour mark, your liver glycogen stores are totally depleted. The body must make a fuel switch. Your system switches entirely to burning stored fat for energy. This is precisely what is called the metabolic flip. You are finally burning fat that has been sitting dormant. This is the core reason people fast for weight loss. Growth hormone levels significantly increase while you are fasting, helping your muscles recover faster and burn more fat. The most powerful shift happens between the 12 to 16 hour mark, when deep cellular repair begins. The true power activates at 16 hours. This magical process is called autophagy, or cellular self-cleaning. Autophagy literally consumes damaged cells and old proteins, recycling them to create new, healthy cells. Fasting dramatically boosts BDNF, a compound that encourages the rapid growth and repair of your healthy brain cells. Your insulin sensitivity improves drastically. This helps prevent type 2 diabetes and reduces dangerous body fat storage. Fasting is a powerful anti-inflammatory tool, reducing chronic swelling, which is the root cause of rapid aging. After the initial spike, ghrelin, the powerful hunger hormone, stabilizes. You feel less hungry over time. Since your brain is running on clean ketones instead of sugar, your energy levels become consistent and steady. Contrary to popular myths, you do not lose muscle mass during a 16-hour fasting window. If you hydrate properly, fasting gives your stomach and small intestine a vital break, allowing the gut microbiome to completely reset and repair itself. Fasting significantly lowers your resting heart rate and contributes to lower, healthier blood pressure over several weeks. Since your brain uses clean ketones for fuel, you often experience much better mental clarity and focus. Fasting activates genes linked to longevity and disease resistance, potentially slowing down the cellular aging process. The most crucial part of fasting is breaking the fast correctly. Start with proteins and healthy fats first. You must prioritize hydration during the fasting window. Drink water, black coffee, or plain herbal tea often. Initial headaches and fatigue are common. This is often a sign of electrolyte imbalance, not actual hunger. If you are pregnant, underweight, or have serious medical conditions, please consult your doctor before fasting. Fasting should be seen as a metabolic tool to promote cellular recovery, not necessarily as a restrictive diet plan. By implementing simple 16-hour fasting, you are actively giving your body a chance to upgrade and cleanse itself. This entire video proves you can hack your own biology. Hit subscribe and join us to explore the complex human machine. Stay smart, stay curious. We explore the human machine every week.